Alright, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to move from Skype to Teams. So you wanna pay attention because starting May 2025, Skype is going away for good. And Microsoft is pushing everyone to switch over to Teams. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how. But before that, make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Now, let's jump straight into it. First, you wanna head over to the Teams download page. Just search it on Google, and right there, you can download the setup file and install it on your device. After that, you can run the setup and install the app. And once your Teams installed, you can go ahead and log in using the same Microsoft account you used on Skype. And now this part is important because we're gonna join the Insider program in order to move from Skype to Teams. So you can click the three dots in the upper right corner. Then you can search for Teams Insider program. And right here, you can hit join. And then it will ask you to restart. So you want to go ahead and restart your app. That'll reload Teams with the right setup. And once you follow the entire process, you can just go back in the Teams home screen. You should see now all your Skype chats and contacts sync up. Also, any messages you send from Teams will also show up in Skype if you're still using it for now. Some of you may wonder, what about Mac? Don't worry guys, if you're on Mac, the process is exactly the same. So yeah, that's how you move from Skype to Teams. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.